As Oracle's global philanthropic educational program, Oracle Academy helps educators in countries and communities around the world advance technology education, skills, innovation, and inclusion. We offer academic institutions and their educators free teaching and learning resources that help prepare millions of learners with hands-on practice and career-relevant skills. In a world where education leads to transformation, these technology skills open doors and career possibilities. They launch graduates to fulfilling careers and grow the pipeline of technology innovators and leaders, driving growth in communities around the globe. We value educators as collaborators and provide them with free professional development to grow their knowledge and skills in the latest technologies. And our cutting-edge classroom curriculum, developed by educators for educators, helps spark learner curiosity and engagement. We offer teaching and learning resources on Java, database, project management, enterprise resource planning, cloud, Oracle Apex, and programming languages, and access to a range of technology and Oracle world-class software. Plus, the Oracle Academy Cloud program offers Oracle Cloud, Oracle Autonomous Database, Compute Virtual Machines, and other tools free of charge, uniting educators, learners, and technology. In a flexible, secure environment, they can teach, learn, explore, build, and develop in the cloud. In a wide range of fields around the globe, many jobs are unfilled due to the lack of professionals skilled in technology. Together with academic institutions and their educators, we help students gain the technology skills they need for fulfilling careers, helping to close the digital skills gap and drive economic growth. With Oracle Academy, educational institutions, educators, and learners can be ready for what's next. Learn more and join at academy.oracle.com.